guys, today we're going to be trying out the Sheglam and Harry Potter collection. I'm really excited for this, but I feel like also, like I am super excited, don't get me wrong, but I feel like majority, there's eyeshadow palettes and then we basically have lip products. So there's obviously going to be, you know, quite a few products, like, you know what I mean? Like I feel like it's not a full face or whatever. But either way, I'm still really excited. I've done like a full unboxing video on this if you wanted to see like kind of all the little cute things. But basically the front of it is this and it says, "Have you seen this wizard?" Super cute. Inside we have 4 eyeshadow palettes. We have the Gifted Herbologist Glitter Lipstick. We have the little lip cauldron lip mask. Then we've got the lip gloss set and also the eye brush. So I think that I am going to put the little cauldron lip mask into a giveaway because I have so many lip balms. It's so cute. I'd love to keep it because it's just such a cute little thing, but that's alright. As for the eyeshadow palettes, I don't know what to do. This is the set of them here. They're so cute. So obviously there's 4 different ones. I don't know if I'm going to mix them up today or just choose one or what I'm kind of going to do. I'm excited because I feel like I've been saying for like the longest time that Sheglam hasn't really done like an eyeshadow palette that I like, whereas I feel like I actually quite like these palettes. So anyway, we'll get into that in a second. First things first, I'm just going to prime my eyes. I bought 2 bookshelves today. I'm going to put one in the lounge room and I was thinking about actually putting one here, but I'm just kind of, I don't know where I would put it. It's such a cute bookshelf. I went to the doctor today and they had this really cute bookshelf in there, so I took a photo of it and like reverse Google searched it. It was from Fantastic Furniture and it was on clearance, so I was like, wow, that's so like meant to be. So I got one for the lounge and then I feel like I'd also like to put one in here, but I just don't know where I would put it, so I'll have a think about that. I feel like I have been getting really stressed about the studio the last couple of, honestly it's been months, but it's been starting to really stress me. I forgot to put brow gel on, so I'm just going to do that real quick. Also, I don't know what happened to my brows today. This one is just not, I mean both of them aren't really too crash hot, but I don't know. I don't know what vibe to go for today. First of all, I'm just going to get them all out and show them to you guys. So the first one we have is Hufflepuff, and I love the packaging of these. I think they're so cute. So this one is quite like obviously neutral. It's like your orange kind of tones. We have Ravenclaw, which is blue. We have Gryffindor, which is obviously red. And then Slytherin, like our green. So I don't know if I should just take a mix of all of them or what to do. I kind of honestly just want to take the Gryffindor palette for today, I think. Just kind of see what the vibe is, I guess. I'm excited to see the quality of these shadows. I'll be very interested. So the first shade I'm going to take is called Daring, and it's just like a transition shade. I'm just going to put that down. Also, my elbow is so sore. I don't actually know what I've done to it. I don't know. Last night I was trying to go to sleep and I was like to Kato, I can't like lay one way because my elbow hurts. And then like I kind of didn't think anything of it, like went to sleep, and then I woke up this morning and it's so sore. I've been on and off like sore all day, like it's really weird. Then I'm going to take the next shade called Determination, which is the red. I haven't done red eyeshadow in a long time. So I'm just going to start putting that on. Today's eyeshadow is going to be pretty basic. The pigmentation really isn't too bad. It's quite like a soft kind of red. The shade, the shadows look like soft, you know what I mean? But it's not that bad at all. It's a little bit patchy, but I'm going to blend it, so no stress. Yeah, I feel like when you blend it, it loses quite a bit of that pigmentation. Okay, let's build that pigment up just a little bit more. Going to the other side now. I'm just starting to think maybe Sheglam shadows aren't for me. I really like the complexion products, at least the ones that I've tried. And like, don't get me wrong, like I'm not saying that they're bad eyeshadows by any means. Obviously they're on the eye, they're showing up. I feel like I'm just after something with a bit more pigment, to be honest. And that's obviously, everyone has like different preferences. I know there'd be a lot of people out there who don't like pillowy shadows because they're kind of too pigmented and they're harder to work with. In the sense of like, you know, some people want something that's easy to chuck on and you're not going to overdo it. And they blend away quite easily so that, you know. I mean, I think there's so many kind of different aspects to makeup. You know, there's people that wear it just every day. There's people that wear it the way that I do to make like content and stuff, I guess. There's people who want both. So that's why there's so many kind of different levels of it. And it's such a good thing, and that's like, it's so, I love kind of how many different like types of makeup there are out there, you know what I mean? I love that there's makeup for people who are more natural and then people who want, you know, the full shebang. I think it's fun. And that's why I guess these type of videos are kind of important, I guess, in a sense, because we can test the makeup and tell you kind of how it is, so, you know, don't waste your money or whatever. I don't think that, yeah, they're bad by any means. It's just they're not for me. I'm taking that Daring shade again and just using that kind of at the edge to blend buff the red. I feel like if you were looking for something that you could chuck on quite, you know, quite quickly and like doesn't take a whole lot of like working with, this would be perfect for you. Like but yeah, obviously it's just not for me. And honestly, it's funny because I say that they're not for me, but when I'm thinking about going on holiday and stuff, I might even, like, I'd probably consider taking one of these palettes, because that's the time where I like those low maintenance palettes where I am doing my makeup for the daily and things like that. So okay. Oh my god, I've got so many animal hairs up my nose. And like, the worst thing is Esther's you can see because she's like brown. I don't actually know what colour she is. I think she's considered grey. But Tilly's are white, so you can't see them. Alright, I'm going to go to the brown of the palette now. And that is called Courage. I'm going to put that in the outer corner and also run it through the crease a little bit to add some definition. This is like one of my least favourite looks that I've done in a hot minute. I can't stop thinking about the bookshelf. Like, I wish you guys could like be here, like transport to my studio real quick and we have like a little discussion about how I should rearrange my room. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what's on my eyes around now, but I'm not loving it. Go back into that Daring. I'm excited to see how the shimmer performs. I'm just gonna give everything a blend, and let's take this shimmer. It's called Bravery. It looks really pretty. So I'm just gonna slap it over the top, to be honest, because I'm not gonna cut the crease today. So I'll try it dry, and then if it needs some help, which it may do, we can put some setting spray on it. Okay. I feel like it heard what I said and it was like, I'm gonna show you. So it's actually sticking down quite nicely. It's actually quite nice. I feel like over a cut crease this would really pop as well, but it's actually not that bad at all. See, like, I honestly, when I take away like personal preference and things like that, this eye look honestly isn't terrible. It's just not my personal style of what I would choose, but like the eye look itself isn't bad, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like you cannot work with these shades or anything of the sort. It's just what I like personally. I'm not gonna lie, now that I've kind of taken that top layer off the shimmer, I'm kind of digging my brush in there, but I mean, it's still applying, it's just taking a bit to get it out of the actual pan. But yeah, like the eye look itself is not bad. I think sometimes I don't like eye looks like this because it reminds me of when I was first starting makeup. And obviously I feel like I look back at the looks I used to do and I'm like, oh, if I saw someone else wearing this, I wouldn't think it looked bad, you know what I mean? So I think that might be an internal thing. Alright, I'm gonna go back into that brown shade ever so slightly and just like blend. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna do my lashes and everything like that. And then I'll be back and we'll try out the lip products. Oh my god, I just sat on those. I forgot I put them there. Okay, so I feel like I do this all the time. I'm like, yeah, it looks so ugly. And then I do my hair and my lashes and everything. I'm like, oh, it's actually quite nice because I actually kind of like this look now. So also, I forgot to use this little brush. How cute is it? I can't tell what it is. It's either a broomstick or a like wand. I don't know, but either way it's really cute and I'll use it another time. Okay, so we have the glosses and then we also have the little glitter lipstick. So let's start with this. This is the Gifted Herbologist glitter lipstick. The packaging is so cute and this might be one of the most stunning things that I've ever seen in my whole life. And I just need to swatch it. I just need to know what it's like. So I'm gonna wipe my hand off actually because I've got stuff on there. I also tried out a new blush and a new highlighter. I used the Colourpop. They sent these over to me for Valentine's Day. This is a lip and cheek balm. I've tried this formula before, but this is a different shade. This is Heart's Content. So beautiful. I love it. And then I also used the little P. Louise liquid highlight in Pot of Gold. Let's swatch this. I just need to know. Oh, okay. It's literally like kind of grey almost like a grey green kind of. Interesting. Let's swatch it on the lips and see what it's like and then we can take it off if we need. And then we'll swatch the glosses after that, okay? I'm just interested. I just need to know. It's not for me, okay? It's stunning. It's so pretty, and also I think it's an overspray or whatever, because like now there's not actually glitter through it because you can see it. Like there's no glitter from where I've actually put it on my lips. So I feel like that one might be a little bit of a gimmick, but that's fine. I need to take that off my lips now, okay? I will say it feels kind of nice on the lips. It doesn't feel like... It says it's a lipstick, yeah? I feel like it feels more like a lip balm or something. So these are the glosses. Let's swatch these. First one is Felix Flexus. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is like a gold. Oh, pretty. That one. Then we have Polyjuice Potion, which is green. Oh, that's cool as well. They're all quite like sheer, but still pretty. I love these. I think they're so cute. Then we have a Maratina. I know I said that wrong. Sorry, but this one's real pretty actually. They kind of give me like jelly gloss vibes. And then the last one we have is Draught of Living Death, which is purple. I wish they had a smell, but they don't. And then the last one we have is like purple. So they're cute. They're cute little shades. Which one should we use today? I can't tell. I might put the sparkly gold one on, I think. I feel like it'll tie in then with like the gold on my eyes. Okay, everything's dying on me. My phone's almost dead. My laptop is almost dead. So I need to get this on with. It actually feels super nice on the lips. A little sticky, but... And they also taste a little bit like... Not chemically, but like... Chemically. No, not too bad, but there's just no like scents. So. But anyway, this is the finished look. So, my thoughts. Look, now that I have the eyeshadow on and stuff, like it's really pretty. I actually quite like it. And like I said, I feel like obviously a lot of the times I do makeup for YouTube and things like that. So that's the kind of palettes and eyeshadows and stuff that I'm looking for. But in saying that, I kind of like the formula is nice and stuff. It's just not my preferred formula. I like something with a lot of pigment. I like something that like I can be a bit more creative with, I guess. But in saying that, I'm not saying these are bad eyeshadows by any means. They're obviously, you can obviously see them. There's obviously pigment. Oh my god, yuck. This lip gloss is like balling up. Did I put too much on? Oh my god, I shouldn't have done it. Anyway, so they're not bad eyeshadows by any means at all. This I think is a bit of a gimmick. So pretty on the outside, and then yeah, it's just such a shame that it's this weird like black shade and there's nothing, no glitter left over. But anyway, that's fine. The packaging and stuff is so cute. These I think are just so well thought out. I love the little potion book, and I think the detail is just amazing. I think it's really, really cute. I love it. And the swatches are quite nice. Like, I feel like they're not too bad of gloss shades at all. The brush feels like it's nice quality. And then obviously the last thing was the lip cauldron, which I'm not going to use. Overall, I think this collection's cute. I think if you're a Harry Potter fan, you'll really enjoy it. I don't think it's something that... I don't know, like... I don't know how to explain it, but like I feel like, you know, if you like Harry Potter and things like that, you will enjoy this collection. It's not like it's awful or anything like that. Like, it's still a nice collection. It's just, I don't know, like I feel like some of it's a little bit gimmicky, like the lip stick and things like that. But like, I mean, if you like these eyeshadow colours, I think you'll get a lot of use out of these palettes. Like, they obviously work, they're just less pigmented. And the glosses, they're not super everyday shades, but they still look nice, so... It's all up to whatever you're into. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!